How to properly use hand sanitizer to prevent any bacteria. Use sanitizer only when you can wash with soap and water. Use alcohol-based sanitizer. Apply hand sanitizer to the palm of one hand. Thoroughly rub your hand together to cover the entire surface of your hand. Place one hand on top of other and rub between fingers. Do this for both hands. Rub your thumb fingers properly on both hands. Clean your fingernails and finally both your wrists. You have to make sure that the sanitizer is completely dried.